So this is my video. Any video how to advertisement using for Google Maps. That is called 2 advantages. Increase my views. They're promoting my Google mapping and they can increase my your YouTube subscriber. First select your video. Copy the URL. This video you can promoting through Google Map will be 3 types. First one with a different title. Second one we can promoting for different image. Third one we can promoting for our Google mapping location with again promoting for videos. 3 target, your mapping target, image target and keyword target with along with the YouTube link. So first of all select your Google mapping. Select your mapping location. In this option call is go to post. Select your post option. First select your image. Your YouTube existing thumbnail will be not valid. You can add your image will be personally. Add your image, cross size, increase your sizes. Click here and write down your keyword. Digital marketing training course in Madhapur. Copy the YouTube link. So what is my keyword? Digital marketing training course in Madhapur. Add your button. Click for learn more. Add your YouTube URL. Click for publish. Once publish, the video will be published on your channel here. If anyone coming to here, then click for learn more on your mapping. They go to your particular YouTube channel video. Here 2 advantages. Increase my YouTube viewers and increase my the subscriber also. This will be 2 will very important from the promoting your YouTube videos on Google mapping option. We can promoting social network and Google mapping. We can promote for the multiple network also using for multiple images, multiple title.